And now the hazardous weather outlook for Saturday through Thursday. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Bosque County in central Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. At 10:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across north and central Bosque County. Between 4 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clifton, Meridian, Laguna Park, I.R. Dell, Grand Falls Gap, Meridian State Park, Lake Whitney, Walnut Springs, Morgan, Cedar Shores, Lakewood Harbor, Norse, Eulogy, Lakeside Village, Womack, Copperle and Brazos Point. Dangerous flash flooding is occurring or is imminent. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing flood waters. If you are in an area subject to flooding, move to higher ground now. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.